Okay, here is my presentation for this module, and it's about how the population amounts can be used to roughly estimate a state's foreclosure rates, how much money it will get from the federal government, its unemployment rate, and the income of its citizens. Basically, to set the stage, I'm using a Google public data set, and I'm using household income for the 10 states I've selected to choose. And then I used Google Fusion tables and made charts. And these are 3 of them. One of them shows foreclosure rates, the second shows population, and the third I used from Google and it shows unemployment. And then I made more Fusion tables and charts, and this last one, the last chart shows mortgage delinquencies, and the map shows the 10 states I'm comparing, so you can see which ones I'm using. And then I added another category. I went onto my project that I did in Module 5, and I used Google Refine, and the category I added was recovery spending. And Google Refine I used to, I put in the amounts that it received, the states received, and then I used a URL and I found how far those states are from Lexington, Kentucky. And this just shows for 3 states. The top one's California, the middle one is Texas, not Georgia, and then the last one is Florida. And then I also conducted a red cap survey about recovery spending, and these results pretty much show that most people were not satisfied with the way recovery spending was handled, and it also showed most people thought that state number 2, which happened to be California, received the most recovery money. And then this is a Gephi representation of my foreclosure rates, and it associates each of the 10 states I'm comparing with its specific number. And then I just included the nodes and edges if you need those. And then finally, this is my Google Earth tour, and I used a SketchUp icon, and it also shows foreclosure rates. So, as these charts show, population can be used to roughly predict trends in unemployment rates, foreclosures, income, and federal government money. And basically, if a state has a high population, it has a tendency to also have a high foreclosure rate, high unemployment rate, high income levels, and high amounts of federal government money sent to them.